Hello and welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we have a very special car. It's the Tesla Roadster 2.0 that belongs to this guy, this dude right here.
Hi.
What's your name?
JamStig Jr.
No, it's not.
Oh.
Anyway, so here it is, Tesla Roadster. This one, Elon Musk claims that the real car is going to top out somewhere above 250 miles per hour with a 0 to 60 time of 1.9 seconds, which is doable. So it's a quite a heavy car, great quality. When it was just released, it was sold out really quick, so a lot of people bought them and tried to resell them on the market for upwards of $600. But I just got an email notification that these are now available once again for normal purchase. So let's look at it. So right now the only one that's available is in this red, this brilliant red color. And the doors do open. There it is.
Christmas red.
You call it Christmas red?
Yes.
So let's get a closer look at the interior. Seats are super white in there. Carpet floors as usual. So this is my first Tesla interaction. Not my car, my son's car. So I gotta make sure I say that before I get beat up here. But not bad. And it's also a Targa top. You can take the roof off and it turns into a Targa. So this is what the roof looks like. And then you can go ahead and store this thing in the trunk. So one thing I noticed is the trunk is very difficult to open. So what I do, I'll stick a finger in here and pop it up like that to get it like this, and then it's easier to open. And you can see the struts, which is a nice added detail. And then that little Targa top right there can go in the back, like that. But another thing, so what I didn't realize with the Roadster is that it's a 2+2, which means that there's actually a back seat in here. So the back seat pops up. I don't know if you can see it that well, but so there's the back seat. There you just go, and it folds down. And that's that. So the driver's side. What's cool about the driver's side? Not much detail going on in the car, but that steering wheel does kind of look futuristic. It has that little center display, like the Model S, and I guess what's the other one? Model 3. Yeah, the Model 3 has, and Model X, that massive center display. But for right now, it doesn't look like there's any kind of gauges on the driver's side. Beautiful diffusers though. Look at that. Look at the diffuser. It's good. So this car, I can't wait to see what it really does when it comes out. It's very beautiful, pretty car. So let's take a look at the engine. You're right. Anyway, so yeah, there's nothing to look at up in the front. The real car supposedly will have a range of over 600 miles, but we'll see. And on the other side right here, we have a Model 3. So a friend of mine owns a Model 3, and Tesla, when they bought the Model 3, Tesla actually gave them a model of the car. So they ended up giving their model to me. So anyway, so that's that. Let me know what you guys think of the Roadster 2.0, and feel free to comment, like, share, subscribe if you like the content, and we'll see you again next time.